you're out there, you're riding, you're having a good time, and taking in the outdoors.
The fight isn't over. The fight is just beginning.
What's going on, guys? This is Carl with the RacerRed channel. So today I wanted to do a quick video about the different winter gear I wear, since a lot of you guys have been asking me about that. I know that it's really hard for a lot of people to stay warm out there, and I know it's hard for me too, so I figured I'd just give you an idea of what I wear. A lot of it's just kind of basic stuff, but I think some of it is stuff that you don't really think about very often, so I think it'll help you out. This is probably the thing that a lot of people neglect and helps me probably the most, because like when I'm trying to stay warm, I focus on my core, and people forget about the neck. Like that's a huge part of your core that's just sticking out there. So you'll wear stuff over your head and your body, but to wear a heavy duty fleece neck gaiter will completely make all the difference in the world for you when you're trying to stay warm. So this is the one thing that I would say, like, I've got a lot of questions about how I stay warm. This is probably it. I mean, this is the thing that really has made a difference for me. Because, like I say, I always try to focus on my core. I don't really focus on gloves or socks or any of that stuff. The things I worry about are my head, my chest, and, you know, between those two things, the neck. And that's probably one of the most important things, because you're already wearing a helmet. You get dressed in all of this stuff, and then I'll be good to go. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know the lighting's not probably the best in here, but I hope you got the idea. Oh my god, this thing barely started, but it got there. We're in business. Got my bike back there. Should be good to go. You can see my breath. What's going on, guys? This is Carl, the RacerRed channel. Doing a little bit of snow riding today. See if I can keep from falling over. Whoa! Actually, it's hardest when there's a track like this. Unfortunately, there's a bunch of tracks right now, so it's hard to keep from falling over. Anyways, I'm not running any studs or anything. But snow riding is definitely not easy. It's really unpredictable. Whoa! Sometimes you have to go in the bushes like that. When it's like this. Whew. Anyways, guys, you can see my setup. I've got the neck gaiter on, got my jacket, and I've got a lot of snow out here. It's pretty amazing. Pretty nice conditions as long as there's no tracks. It's when all the other tracks get around the snow, I start falling in those, and what really happens is it takes my ability to float around away. So if I get in that track, I get cross-rutted. I don't know if this canyon's going to be doable. Oh no, it died on me. Anyways, guys, it's the beauty of having a KTM. It just, people bash them, but the quality just can't really be disputed. I was going to talk about that a little bit as far as Chinese bikes, because on the surface, if you just look on the surface, a Chinese bike kind of looks like a lucrative proposition. You might be able to get one for cheap. They look cool, but the quality is lacking. And if you get a used KTM like this one, resale is probably what you paid for it. You can sell it for. And a Chinese bike, once you buy it, good luck selling it ever. Yeah, you'll never sell one of those things for even close to what you bought it for. This is some deep snow, guys. I gotta get that drone back to the pickup too. So these KTMs just keep on trucking in the worst conditions. And same goes for a Beta or any of the premium bikes, really. And yeah, I'm gonna be breathing pretty hard here. My foot peg just caught my boot. Tried to take my foot where the foot peg was going. And again, I'm not running any studs, except for the one that's on the bike riding it. I'm so funny. Oh, bushes. So yeah, it's a better riding experience with a good bike. If you want a good bike, just get a good used one. You'll pay more up front, but when you go to sell it, you won't lose anything. I always say that, but I've seen a huge influx in Chinese bikes lately, and it's not the best way to go, trust me. Yeah, see, once I have a rut, I fall into this rut. It crossroads me a little bit. It keeps throwing me sideways. Thought I heard the drone crash. Oh, really?
Take in mind that movie Thing 2.
Oh, that's a good one. You'll laugh.
We haven't seen it.
I watched it last week.
It's pretty good, huh?
It's hilarious. I was laughing.
No kidding. I thought the first one was good. I'm going to go make some down there.
Oh.
So are all
Yeah, it'll be a good time if you show up. I might be here tomorrow.
right? How are you doing?
Yep.
Sam.
Good, thank you.
All right.
See ya. Anybody want some frozen water?